How's your wedding, sir?
My wedding?
Oh, nice. You celebrate. You was in wedding, na?
I
You
went
went for a wedding. Yeah, you went for a wedding.
to attend
Hmm.
someone's wedding, not my wedding.
Hmm.
I got married 28 years back. Hmm. Okay. I visited many places.
Okay. Alone? With family?
No, with one of my friend, you can say.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So you use your good time with your friend.
Definitely, I enjoyed a lot.
But
Hmm. Okay, so what was your homework?
the present perfect continue.
Hmm.
So I make some sentences.
Hmm.
So has he been sleeping for 2 hours?
Hmm.
No, he isn't sleeping.
He hasn't been. He hasn't. It should be answered in the same
The
tense.
same. Hmm. Okay. What has he been doing since morning?
Hmm.
He has been playing since morning.
Hmm.
Why have they been driving a car for 2 hours?
Hmm.
Tomorrow they have gone for a drive test.
Hmm.
Tomorrow they have to go on for a drive test.
They have to go. कौन नहीं जाना है.
Have you been learning your lessons for 2 hours?
Hmm.
I have been learning my lessons for 1 hour.
Hmm.
Have I been learning English for 2 weeks?
Hmm.
No, you have been learning English for 1 week.
Hmm.
How long have you been standing in queue?
Hmm.
We have been standing for 3 hours. We are waiting for our appointment. Has she been trying baby to sleep for an hour?
Trying to.
Trying baby to sleep for an hour. बच्ची को सुलाने की कोशिश कर रही है.
चलो ठीक है. Hmm.
So she hasn't been trying to baby to sleep for an hour. She has been playing with him.
Hmm. With her. With him. हाँ ठीक है. Hmm.
सर हिम कैसे होता है और मेरे को इसमें थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है.
किसमें?
हिम कब आएगा? हिज हर तो इट इज ओके. हिम अस मी.
अच्छा, इसमें कंफ्यूजन होता है.
हाँ. हाउ.
तो इसको अभी बता दूं या?
एज यू विश सर. तो पहले सेंटेंस कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. How have they been ill for 2 days?
How
Have they been ill for 2 days?
ठीक है.
They have been ill since yesterday. Have you been busy since morning? Yes, I have been busy since morning due to sister marriage. Have you been driving the car since morning? I haven't been driving the car. Has he been going to new job for 2 days? He hasn't been going to new job for 2 days. He has been going to school for 2 days. I have been walking for 2 days. Have you been walking for 2 days? I haven't been walking for 2 days. I am not well. It has been raining since yesterday. No, it has been raining since morning. It has been raining. It hasn't been raining. What has he been studying? He has been studying in 5th class. She has been studying in 5th class. It has been snowing since yesterday.
Snowing.
Yeah. No, it hasn't been snowing. You've been waiting for 2 hours? Yes, we have been waiting for 2 hours. Have you been living since 2020? No, I have been living since 2021. He has been walking in garden since morning. No, he has been walking in garden for 2 hours. He has been running in garden since morning. I have been this laptop for 2 years.
I have been using.
No, I have been this laptop for 2 years. मेरे पास ये लैपटॉप 2 साल से है.
मेरे पास
हाँ,
तो सिंपल रहेगा. आई हैव बीन नहीं होगा ना. आई हैव गॉट दैट लैपटॉप फॉर 2 years.
Okay. So that क्यों आएगा? तो this आएगा ना?
क्या?
This आएगा, that आएगा.
कुछ भी लगा सकते.
Okay. He has been living in Dubai since 2010. Hasn't he been living in Dubai for 2 years? No, he has been living in Dubai for 2 years. How have you been doing? How have you been going to office this week? I have been going to office via car this week. Have they been joining party for 2 years? They have been joining the party since 2020, but still not sure. One second, Arthur. 1 second. Sorry, sir. They have been joining party since 2020, but still not sure. She has been going to cinema every week for an hour. Has she been going to cinema? She has been visit us since March. She has been visiting us since March. She hasn't been visiting us since March. He have been watching TV for 2 hours. He have been jogging in park since last 1 year.
लगाओ ई के साथ.
He has been watching. He have been jogging in park since last 1 year. Have.
Has.
We के साथ.
We कहाँ है?
We है ना. We have been jogging in the park since last 1 year. Have they been sending wrong bill for 1 year?
अब आप इसमें ये कह रहे हो 1 साल से वो
गलत बिल दे रहा है.
क्या?
कौन सा वाला बोल रहा था?
जॉगिंग कर रहा है. जॉगिंग.
हाँ. We have been jogging in the park since last 1 year.
सिंस क्यों? पहली बात तो फॉर होगा. और इसका मतलब ये हो गया 1 साल पहले वो पार्क में गया था, तब से वो जॉगिंग ही कर रहा है. टकाटक 1 साल हो गया. हिला ही नहीं. टकाटक जॉगिंग कर रहा है 1 साल से. इसका मतलब ये हुआ. लेकिन आप जो कहना चाहते हैं वो मैं समझ गया, पर वो दूसरे तरीके से बनेगा. हिंदी में तो कह दिया 1 साल से कर रहा जॉगिंग. इंग्लिश में आपने कर दिया ही हैज बीन जॉगिंग फॉर एन ईयर, तो इसका मतलब हो गया वो रुका ही नहीं है, 1 साल से चली करता ही जा रहा है जॉगिंग, ना खा रहा है, ना पी रहा है, ना लेटरिन जा रहा है, कुछ नहीं, बस लगा है जॉगिंग करने, 1 साल हो गया। इसका मतलब ये हुआ, पर आपका सेंस में समझ गया, तो वो कैसे बनेगा, वो ऐसे बनेगा। ई से बनाए कि वी से बनाए?
वी है सर। We have been jogging in the park.
ये बनेगा।
ठीक है सर उत्तर?
नहीं आया?
Oh sir, I did not get.
भेज तो दिया यार मैंने,
Let's see.
और मुझे दिख भी रहा है यहाँ से।
Okay.
2 बार भेज दिया।
No problem. I think it will take time. So I can go with next, then I will check it. Have they been sending wrong bill for 1 year?
फिर वही गलत, वो भी ऐसे ही बनेगा जैसे अभी भेजा।
No, they have been sending wrong bill since July. It is okay.
तो वैसे ही बनेगा ना।
Okay. Has she been taking extra classes? Has she been taking extra class? We have been doing party for last night. Have you been think in Hindi?
Have you been thinking?
Thinking in Hindi.
अब चला गया शायद, देखो।
Yes sir, we got it. We have been in the habit of jogging in the park for an hour. Okay.
An year.
For an hour, yeah, okay.
तो हैबिट होगा फिर वहां पे। अगर आप सिर्फ ये लिखोगे वी हैव बीन जॉगिंग इन द पार्क फॉर एन ईयर, तो उसका मतलब है 1 साल से लगातार जॉगिंग ही कर रहा है। हैबिट करना पड़ेगा फिर। जैसे बिल भेजा भी आपने, दे हैव बीन इन दी हैबिट ऑफ, या दे हैव बीन इन दी प्रैक्टिस ऑफ, ये तो हैबिट में आ गया, वो प्रैक्टिस में आएगा फिर, कि गलत ही बिल भेज रहे हैं वो लोग 1 साल से। दे हैव बीन इन दी they have been in the practice of sending wrong bill.
They have been practice.
Yeah, they have been in the practice of.
They have been in the practice of wrong bill for an hour, year. No, they have been in the practice wrong bill since July. Okay. We have been thinking in English. We have been thinking in English. He has been wearing the coat after new job. He have been wearing the coat after new job. We haven't sleeping since night. It is completed.
What about your
You give me one
past? Past नहीं किए?
story.
Past नहीं किए? Past.
No sir.
Past indefinite भी तो करना था।
आपने सर एक स्टोरी दी थी।
चलो।
One king was who have 3 sons.
There
One king was who had three sons.
One king was नहीं, there was a king. There was
It was
a
a
king
king who had three sons.
who
Who had three sons.
who had past में ना.
Who had three sons.
Hmm.
They used to quarrel one another.
With one another.
They used to quarrel with one another.
Hmm.
He was worried about their fights and think how our kingdom will grow.
He was worried.
Yeah, he was worried
हाँ.
about their fights.
About their
Fight
hmm.
and think
और
how
about की
our
जगह एक्चुअली चलो ठीक है आगे चलो. हाँ.
and think how our kingdom will grow.
would grow क्योंकि पास्ट में है ना, तो बिल का वुड हो जाएगा.
Would grow if they fight each other. One day, king fall sick.
फेल हो जाएगा ना पास्ट में.
Okay. One day, king fell sick. He called their sons on his room.
In his room.
Few bunch of sticks on their table. He requested his elder son to break these bunch of sticks.
Past he requested. और रिक्वेस्टेड क्यों का, वो निवेदन थोड़ी करेगा राजा, वो तो बोलेगा कि तोड़ो इसको. asked king asked his son
to break these bunch of sticks, but he did not successful.
राजा ने कहा अपने बड़े लड़के से, है ना, किंग asked his eldest son to break the
bunch of stick.
bundle of stick.
Bunch of stick. He but he did not successful.
He did not नहीं होता.
Didn't.
या तो he was बोलो, he was not successful. He did not को वर्ब थोड़ी है वहां पे. या he didn't succeed बोलते अगर वर्ब लगाना है तो.
Okay. Same he asked to another son.
He asked his next son.
Okay. He asked to his next son.
टू नहीं.
But
टू नहीं लगाते अपन.
He asked to his next son.
अरे यार टू नहीं लगाते.
He asked his next son.
हाँ.
Okay. But all was not successful.
All were.
All were not successful.
No.
He told try to remove stick one by one. Then all sons able to break each of individual stick.
Were, yeah, all the sons, yeah, all the sons were able to
break
all
each of the individual stick. Father said, if you all fight each other, then anyone will be destroy you.
Anyone can defeat you.
Like a single stick.
Like
a single stick.
hmm.
But if you live together, nobody destroy you as bundle of sticks.
Destroy नहीं होता यार.
Defeat.
Hmm.
But if you live together, nobody defeat you as a bundle of sticks.
No one can. No one can defeat you. Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
completely, sir.
So let's practice for past indefinite little bit और past continuous first.
सर पहले वो हिम वाला.
अच्छा चलो. क्या था हिम? हिम नहीं पता आपको क्या होता है. अस नहीं पता आपको क्या होता है. और देम.
हाँ.
हैं? देम भी नहीं पता ना. देखो ही से जुड़ा है हिज और फिर जुड़ा है हिम. ये तो पता है आपको. ही से जुड़ा है हिज
हाँ.
और हिम.
करेक्ट.
और शी से जुड़ा है हर और एक और हर. जैसे हिज हिम हर
ओके.
महादेव हर महादेव. ठीक है. वी. अब इसी तरह आप चले जाओ वी. तो वी के साथ आवर और अस. अब आप समझो और भी लिख लेंगे. आई के साथ माय मी. ठीक. यू योर यू. दे देयर देम. सही है साहब. ही इज अ सब्जेक्ट. ही से तो सेंटेंस शुरू ही होता है.
करेक्ट.
तो ही और हिज मतलब उसका बिलोंगिंग. उसकी कोई चीज. उसकी कोई चीज. दिस इज हिज बुक. ये उसकी किताब है. दिस इज हर बुक. दिस इज आवर बुक. जितने भी ये बीच में है ना इज हर आर माय योर देयर ये होता बिलोंगिंग्स. मतलब मेरी चीज. दिस इज माय कार. नो 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 दिस इज योर कार. नो 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 दिस इज देयर्स कार. अभी तो इसमें एक चीज और आएगी वो भी आपको कंफ्यूज कर सकती है. जैसे हर्ष भी होता है कहीं कहीं. हर्ष आवर्स. माइन
माइन.
योर्स देयर्स. ये भी हो सकता था. अब और कंफ्यूजन कर दिया मैंने. लो और बोलो. लेकिन अब समझना जरूरी है इसको. जितने भी ये आप देख रहे हो ही शी दे इट यू वी ये सब्जेक्ट होते हैं. इनसे सेंटेंस शुरू होता है. लेकिन जब किसी की बिलोंगिंग की बात हो रही है तो होता है दिस इज हिज कोट, ये उसका कोट है।
This is his car.
This is his car, this is her coat, this is my book, this is your
This.
car, hotel, whatever. और they have, जैसे मैं कहा they have their own car, वो अपनी खुद की कार है उन पे, they have their own car। तो ये हो गया। लेकिन जब सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाए, जब सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाए तो ही का हो जाता हिम, शी का हो जाता हर, आई का हो जाता मी, यू का होता यू, दे का हो जाता देम। कैसे? अब आपसे यू गिव मी अ बुक, तो यू आप सब्जेक्ट हैं, मैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया ना। अब मैं आई का रहा, आई तो मैं तब रहता जब मैं कुछ देता आपको या करता। यू बन गया सब्जेक्ट, तो आपने कहा यू गिव मी अ बुक
और माय बुक।
गिव मी अ बुक, ओके। वो तो और जोड़ना जोड़ दो, यू गिव मी माय बुक। तो यू है ही सब्जेक्ट, लेकिन वहां पे आई नहीं होगा। यू गिव आई ये बुक तो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि आई की जगह मी होगा, क्योंकि मी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है और आई को यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करना है। तो यू गिव मी अ बुक।
I already told him.
हाँ, तो अब ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि हिम ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया, ऑब्जेक्ट को कुछ कहा आपने। आई टोल्ड हिम अ स्टोरी, तो हिम हो गया। इसीलिए यू गिव अस, प्लीज गिव अस सम एग्जांपल्स। तो अस क्या है वहां पे? ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया। और बिलोंगिंग है तो पता ही है आपको। लेकिन दिस इज माय बुक बोलते हो आप, ठीक है। अब माय क्या है? पजेसिव होते हैं ये, पजेसिव प्रोनाउन है ये। पजेसिव मतलब मेरा खुद का, दिस इज माय बुक। लेकिन दिस इज माय बुक की जगह मैं कर दूं दिस बुक इज, तो फिर हो जाएगा माइन।
दोनों उधर देखा जाए तो सेम ही लग रहे हैं।
सेम है ही।
सर आप ये क्या सजेस्ट करते हो कि जब भी कोई सेंटेंस बन रहा है उसको हम हिंदी में सोचे या नहीं इंग्लिश वाले को इंग्लिश में ही सोचो?
नहीं सोचना चाहिए हिंदी में।
This is my book, this is mine.
This book is mine.
Yeah.
This book is hers.
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 अगर मैं कर दूं this book is her, तो डिफरेंट दोनों में
मर्डर हो गया।
ओके।
दिस बुक इज हर नहीं हो सकता, दिस इज हर बुक हो सकता है।
ओके।
लेकिन बाद में तो हर्ष हो गया।
एंड में जब ये आए मतलब हिज हर जैसा, तो हर्ष लग जाएगा या माइन हो जाएगा या हिज हो जाएगा?
हिज का हिज ही रहता है, लेकिन उसको आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते। ये गलत है, ये फिर हिस्स हो जाता है, हिस्स।
हाँ
हिस से क्या होता है?
समझा।
सांप देखा? सांप
हाँ
सांप
फंगाना।
हाँ, तो सांप की आवाज होती है, जैसे हाथी की ट्रम्पेट, शेर की रोर, शेर दहाड़ता है, कैट म्यू, गाय मौ, आवाज ही करती है मौ, ऐसे ही तो निकालती है आवाज गाय। तो इंग्लिश में भी मो, MOH, नहीं सॉरी MOW।
और सर ये देयर वाला कोई सेंटेंस जैसे
theirs, this book is theirs, or yours, this book is yours,
he is their son, right?
he is their son, ठीक है, वह उनका लड़का है, he is their son, क्योंकि उनका है ना, पॉजिटिव है ये।
एक और है जैसे ना, ये मुझे इसमें बहुत ज्यादा दिक्कत लगती है जब इन और ऑन आता है ना, जैसे मैंने लिख दिया he called their son on his room, but you told them it is he called her son in his room.
फिर से बोलो, क्या बोला आपने?
मेरा जो गलत सेंटेंस है वो he called their son in sorry on his room.
तो their son क्या हुआ?
अपने
अपने तो होगा तो कौन है, अपने कौन है? राजा ही तो है अकेला,
हाँ
तो हिज तो बोलेगा वो।
he called his son in
his sons, लड़के तो
sons
लड़के तो ज्यादा हैं।
sons, yeah, he called his sons on his room, but the sentence is correct, in his room, correct?
ऑन क्यों नहीं?
हाँ ये that is the problem ना।
ऑन इसलिए नहीं होगा कि कमरे के ऊपर थोड़ी बुलाया उसने, छत पे सीढ़ी लगा आया ऊपर, कमरे के अंदर, इन हिज रूम, ना कि ऑन हिज रूम।
ओके
कमरे के अंदर बुलाया उसने, अपने कमरे में बुलाया। He called his sons in his room.
I am sitting in the chair, correct?
हाँ
और अगर टेबल बैठो तो I am sitting on the table.
कॉमन सेंस है ना, खुद सोच लो, इन आएगा कि ऑन आएगा। तो you are wearing red sapphire, you are wearing red sapphire and pearl. Didn't understand?
No.
You are wearing pearl
yeah.
and red sapphire here. मूंगा,
या correct.
मूंगा पहने हो आप, मूंगा और मोती।
रेड सफायर,
और ब्लू सैफायर होता है नीलम, ना? और पुखराज को कहते हैं येलो, येलो सैफायर, ठीक है। ये इस तरह ग्रीन वो होता है, क्या बोलते हैं ग्रीन को?
But blue is very tough for, it is not good for everyone, na?
Who says?
Someone.
They actually, it is not true.
Are you believing on this?
Yes.
Okay.
Astrology is a science.
Hmm.
I always.
So your face is not coming full. I think you are sitting on different. Yeah, that is okay.
Here, if I sit here.
No. Half only. Not your coming. Your face not coming.
But I can see my face completely.
I don't know how.
Maybe. Okay. What did you ask?
That are you believing on that things?
Because astrology is a science.
Hmm.
Even I take advice from my astrologer always. Even if I go out of station by my car, I ask him whether I should go or not by car.
Someone tell them one word, superstitious, correct? You are like that.
You may think what you want to think. I don't care. But this is astrology. This is science.
Okay.
Whether you believe it or not, it makes no difference to me, or what you think about me, it makes no difference to me. That it is superstitious or like that.
So it is the same like when we are doing any kind of celebration like marriage or making any home, then we are asking for.
Then why are you asking?
Yeah,
If
that is the same.
if it is superstition, then why do you ask? When you get married, when you make a house, why do you ask that time? Don't ask.
So I'm telling you, it is the same like that, na?
I ask everything.
Okay.
Whenever.
So every time when you are going for a long visit, correct, or for via your car.
Even I ask, even if I suffer from some problem, even my stomach is upset.
Okay.
I ask him how much time it will take to cure.
Okay.
So I ask him everything because he is a great astrologer and he has very great knowledge.
Okay.
Even
so he is family member or
not in my family. He is just he was my partner actually. Okay. In a coaching class, but he is quite young and but great knowledge, and he got that knowledge in one night only.
Ah.
Yes. One or two nights only.
So he read something or
he didn't know anything about astrology. Even we both used to go to another astrologer for asking.
What? I'm not able to understand.
Even we both used to go to another astrologer for asking the things, the good time, bad time, and all. And suddenly, overnight, one day he went to sleep. And when he got up, he got that knowledge. Okay. And even maybe definitely because he can I also learned lot of things with him. Even we can predict the death. So yes. If you think it is superstition, you may think, because I cannot control your thinking. So that's why you told me last time that population will be decreased 50%, 30% in 2030. We don't want to discuss that all. Not because of that, because the conspiracy is going on in the world. Okay. I know it. A big conspiracy is going on in the world. But they all will be killed soon by Krishna. Ah. but we have to call Krishna to kill them. I always pray to God to kill them,
Come.
to kill them. I always
Them? Whom, sir? Who?
the wicked people.
Okay.
You understand?
Wicked people.
Wicked.
Wicked. Wicked.
धूर्त.
Means a wicked means?
धूर्त.
Okay.
चालाक. गुंडे. Gundas are far better than these wicked people. So they will be killed. Getting my point?
So that time is very good time na, when someone came on Delhi and they are not able to go to that room.
मतलब
Sansad Bhavan wala sir.
what?
The terrorists was visited that Sansad room and they are not able to reach that room. तो अगर वो बम कुछ फेंक देते तो at least some wicked people maybe vanish from this earth.
If you know the truth about this world, you will be surprised. Actually, what is shown to you, it is fake.
Correct.
The reality is always hidden from the people because they don't want you to know the truth. If you come to know the truth, you will not follow them. You will not vote them. You will come to know the reality if you get the knowledge from other sources instead of getting the knowledge from TV, newspaper, news channels and all. They are 100% fake. They are not real.
Yeah, I agree.
Because the most of the things which are shown on television, in advertisement, they have no base. They're fake.
They are making their own stories.
Actually, that world has been commercialized.
Yeah, correct.
Everything is linked with money.
Money, correct.
People do the work which can make money for them. Whether it is a doctor, whether it is a scientist, they are doing things, but they are controlled by the big people.
Yeah, correct.
Because
schools are
schools, they are the addas of making money. Hospitals, even when the doctors are on strike, the death rate is decreased. Do you know this is the reality? If you don't go to a doctor, you will survive.
Yes.
But if you go to a doctor, you will die soon. This is the reality I am telling you. Because I don't say some of the doctors are good. I don't say that. But most of the doctors are making money. Their intention is to make money. Their intention is not for you to cure. Earlier in the past, I remember when I was a child, when we used to go to a doctor for some problem. If I suffered from any problem, my mother, my father, they took me to the doctor. They were qualified doctor, of course, allopathic doctor, but they never prescribed, the medicines immediately. They asked us to follow some of the routine for 2-3 days to cure. Like suppose if I had loose motion, They asked us to take khichdi and
Banana.
dalia only,
Banana.
banana and all these things, not tablet.
Yes,
They were allopathic doctor, but they never prescribed take this tablet. No, they didn't do like this because they were real doctors. Their aim was to take care of you, take care of your health without medicines, because medicines actually never cure your disease. They support you. Because if suppose you are in a problem, they support you just to have little bit of rest. But you can cure yourself by changing your food habits, by changing your routine, by changing the things which are connected with you, by taking or by changing your schedule of working, schedule of eating, or changing food. All these things are helpful for a person to get free from the disease or the problems. Medicines are support. They support you. Even Ayurvedic medicine, allopathic medicine, they just support you. But still, there is a big difference. The Ayurvedic medicines, they are prepared with natural sources.
Correct.
They are prepared. In Uttarakhand, there are lot of forests are there and lot of herbs, medicines are there. And in Uttarakhand, lot of Ayurvedic doctors are there, famous Ayurvedic doctors. And they are very good because they treat their patient with jadi butiyan, herbs.
Correct.
And this is very effective, really. Jadi butiyan means they have miraculous results on your body. So everybody is running after money, everybody. And for actually earning money is not bad, but earning money by unfair means is bad. मतलब गलत काम करके कमाना अच्छा नहीं.
Actually, this is our mentality now. If sometime we visit to any hospital or doctor and he not describe any medicine, we thinking no, it is not good doctor. Yeah, he's not giving any kind of medicine. They are saying take a rest.
Yes.
This is our mentality actually.
It has, people do like that. There was a doctor in Chhindwara. He was a very good doctor and he never prescribed medicines to his patients. Now, after some time, the people stopped going to him. बोले ये तो बेवकूफ डॉक्टर है, दवा ववा लिखता नहीं है, बता देता है ये रस बना लो, ये पी लो, ये कर लो, बेकार डॉक्टर है. And ultimately he died in poor condition. Let people do what they want to do. Just believe in yourself. Do good. Follow a certain routine. Do exercise, yoga, pranayam, anulom vilom, kapalbhati, all these things, and have good food, vegetable, fruits. That's all. And keep your brain neat and clean. Don't store negative thoughts into it, because they are the roots of problem or disease.
So these kind of medicines are it is okay, it is giving a good result in short period, but might be possible it will be give you the bad result in future. Like in India or any country, the cancer patients are increasing day by day due to this, I think.
You are right, because the people, or when the child is born, it is totally dependent on allopathic medicines.
Yes.
Because if the child falls sick, the parents take him to the doctor, allopathic doctor. Doctor Sahab, he's suffering from fever, he's suffering from cough and cold. What should we do? He prescribes syrup, multiple syrups, antibiotic and all. And these, so actually the child is to be developed. It is just born. It is to be developed naturally. But by giving him all these kind of medicines, we obstruct, or we create obstruction in his development. So his natural immunity and all these things are not developed, and he may have, or definitely he will have some problem in future, health related problem. But it is happening.
Too many people are dying in last year due to this also. Very, very big stars also. They have too many monies and they have already done some kind of operation.
People actually died of Remdesivir injection.
So that is different that the cancer patient like a Rishi Kapoor, Anup Khanna.
Because they actually follow sedentary life. They don't do yoga, pranayam. They're taking daru every day, night, murga. And when you are eating all these things, your body is not a storeroom. उसके अंदर भरे जा रहे हो, then it will definitely create problem to the organs performing their routine function and all.
But sir, heart attack is also coming in these years, na? Anyone, any 30, 35, 40 years.
तो डराओगे आप आदमी को, भूत आया भूत आया भूत आया, दरवाजा नहीं खोलना, भूत आया भूत आया, अभी भी डरा ही रहे हैं. अभी भी फोन लगाओ, मैसेज बजेगा 100 करोड़ टीका. तो यार हम क्या करें यार, तू लगा ले टीके अपने जितने घुसड़ ले पिछवाड़े में टीके. हमको क्या सुना रहा है रोज, हमने टीकाकरण कर लिया, ये कर लिया, तो मरो साले, जो करना करते रहो.
उसकी बात है तो हार्ट अटैक वाली बात बताओ ना.
We'll discuss that later. तो फिर next class, when do you want
tomorrow?
As you wish.
Okay.
We may have no problem. Okay.
Any homework?
होमवर्क तो यही है कि आप बनाइए इस पे sentences.
Past में correct?
हाँ, past. And write something about your past, your childhood.
Okay.
अपने past के बारे में बताइए आप.
Okay.
You must write it. और question बनाइए 20.
Okay.
In all tense.
All in past.
And all in tense. All in different tenses.
Okay.
ठीक है ना?
Okay sir.
ठीक है, तो कल मिलते हैं फिर.
Okay sir. Bye sir.
See you again. All the best.
Yeah,